Welcome to our YouTube channel. Join us on a transformative journey of self-discovery and serenity through the enchanting world of exotic yoga. Explore unique and captivating yoga styles that will awaken your senses and elevate your practice. In this video, we'll introduce you to mesmerizing practices like acro yoga, kundalini yoga, aerial yoga, and more. Each style has its own distinct essence and offers a fresh and invigorating approach to your yoga journey. Discover the joy of partnership and trust with acro yoga's dynamic movements and balances. Dive into the profound world of kundalini yoga, exploring breathwork, meditation, and energy awakening. Experience the freedom and grace of aerial yoga as you flow through poses suspended in a hammock. Through inspiring visuals and demonstrations, we'll guide you on this captivating exploration, highlighting the strength, flexibility, mindfulness, and serenity these practices cultivate. Subscribe now and join us as we ignite serenity through exotic yoga. Embrace new challenges, expand your horizons, and unlock your full potential on the mat. Get ready to experience the magic of exotic yoga and take your practice to new heights.